Hello guys, are you a trained journalist and you are looking for a business opportunity that you can actually start and give you an extra income? In this video, I'm going to teach you one of the best e-commerce business that you can actually start, whether you are employed, self-employed, or you are still looking for a business opportunity that you can start as a journalist. I want you to stay up to the end of this video for you to understand what kind of business you can start as a journalist and the benefits that comes alongside starting this business and challenges, and this triggers you to have an extra income or an extra business that is going to supplement your income. For example, it could be on job securities. Maybe you are a trained journalist and you have never been employed before, or it could be maybe the kind of those people who are employed, the threats and harassment they receive from other areas, maybe government institution or even private institution, the threat that comes with being as a journalist, or even it could be on information that has been overlooked, or an information that is not real. So some of these challenges that can make you to have at that mind, why can I start a business, or why can I have an extra income? Now, the purpose of this video was to teach you on despite being a journalist, you can still have a business that you can start, or either doing it part-time or full-time. But the question is, what kind of business is this? How can you get started? Now, if you love reading different business book, one of the best book that I would recommend to read is Business of 21st Century by Robert Kiyosaki. Now, in this book, Robert talks about different ways people get to generate their income. One is white collar jobs, we have blue collar jobs, we have traditional businesses, and Robert suggests that those people who are going to invest or get started in network marketing business in this century are some of the people, or are among the people who are going to generate wealth. Now, in network marketing business, this is a business model whereby your work is just to learn on how to build relationship with the different people, and in turn you're going to earn a commission, because in network marketing you promote different product and different services. So if you're going to learn on how this business is being done, and then you have an opportunity or guarantee to succeed. However, if you want to know how network marketing business works, I've done another video explaining what is network marketing business and how do this network marketing business work. But this video, I just want to teach you the benefit you are going to get when you join a network marketing company. The first benefit you are going to get when you join a network marketing is on this business is going to give you an extra income. For example, if you are employed or you are self-employed, and maybe your level of income, or maybe the income you're generating is giving you constraints. Now, in this business, it's going to give you an extra income because you're going to be doing another activity alongside your profession. Two, this business gives you flexible working hours. It doesn't mean that if you are going to join a network marketing company, you're going to quit your profession, or you're going to leave doing your journalism. No. Network marketing allows you to do it either on part-time. For example, that time you are free, maybe during your holidays, maybe during the weekends, or rather the time that you're not going to work. That is the time you can now decide that let me do 1, 2, or let me perform certain activity. That is how beauty network marketing is. Number 3, in network marketing, you have an opportunity to expand your network or to relate to different people. Now, what I mean by this is, in network marketing, we normally have different events, and when you look at some of these events, people come from different diversion, different locations, different regions, or different countries, and you can showcase your skills as a journalist. For example, you can decide to create different PowerPoints. You can decide to report. We normally, during the events, we normally have talent show. You can even decide to show on how people you report your news, how you generate your news, and perform your skills as a journalist. So network marketing gives you an opportunity to expand your network and network with different people. Number 4 benefit you're going to get as a journalist in network marketing is this business is going to give you an opportunity to expand your content creation. How? What do I mean by this? When you look at network marketing, we have traveling incentives or traveling opportunities. Maybe you could travel to a country that is going to give you an idea, or is going to give you a coverage that maybe you have never thought of before. For example, you can travel to a country that people are experiencing certain opportunities, or people are going certain programs, or people are going through different activities. And as a journalist, remember, when you have your phone or your camera, You have an opportunity to grab the video and showcase the world what is happening in other areas. So as a journalist, you can still expand your content creation, or you can still cover your journalism despite being as a networker or joining a network marketing company. Another benefit you are going to enjoy in network marketing is on skills development. Now, if you join a network marketing company, one of the things you're going to learn about is on communication skills. You're going to learn on about sales. You're going to learn on how to build rapport, on how to relate with the people, or how to present this business. So as a journalist, maybe you're an introvert, or because maybe you are used to work behind the camera, people are not seeing you, maybe you are used to working behind the screens, but this business is going to give you an opportunity to interact and share your skills, or get to interact with the people who are good at sharing or presenting. And these people are going to teach you on how, maybe let's say for example, to present. They're going to teach you on communication skills. They're going to teach you on how to do the business. So it's not just about you joining and not being trained, or someone not being there for you. You are going to learn, you are going to be equipped with these skills, and that which works in relation with them. In network marketing, we have what you call training and coaching programs. Now, this is where you get to learn about the business. For example, if I look at my company, the first thing is to learn before you join, is to learn about the company, or to learn about the company profile. After joining, the next thing you go to is as a distributor or as a new person, you have to go through the orientation. This is where now you get to learn about you get to learn about the technical part of the presentation, everything about the, maybe let's say, different product or different activities in the team. Then you also learn about the online training. You need to learn on how to present. You need to learn on how to invite. You need to learn on how to communicate to the people. So those are some of the things that you get to build your network as you join a network marketing company. As I'm almost finishing up on the benefits you are going to get when you join a network marketing is, in network marketing, there are no special skills that are required for you to join. No. For example, if I look to you as a journalist, for you to become a certified journalist or to have that certification, you need to have a certain level of education. You need to have a journalist, maybe let's say you have been registered by the journalist board. You need to have gone to school at a certain time, or you need to have degree, maybe diploma, or there are certain things that specifically you need to have for you to qualify to be a journalist. But in network marketing, once you have an ability to relate with the different people from different diversion, then you have an opportunity to build this business. No one is going to ask you for certificates. No one is going to ask you for your religion. No one is going to ask you where you're coming from. No one is going to ask you ABCD. No. Once you get to learn the business, you join the business, then you can still build this business as a journalist. Lastly, in network marketing, performance pays. I'm not here to sugarcoat that this is a business opportunity that you are going to join and tomorrow you are creating millions or you are generating money. No. Just like in any other kind of business, you need to learn, you need to do the activity, you need to follow the programs, you need to follow the training, the coaching, the mentorship for you to do what? To succeed in this business. It is not about you joining and expecting results to come to you. No. Learn to build a business, learn how the business is being done, then you have an opportunity to succeed in this business. Those are some of the benefits you're going to get when you actually join a network marketing company. Maybe you're asking yourself, can I do this business? Can I still succeed in this business? For example, if I look at myself, when I was joining this business, I was still a student. At that time, my circle of friends were very few. I didn't know, I was an introvert. I was a person with low self-esteem. But courtesy of the training and the mentorship program I got, I asked the person who introduced me into this business, can I still do this business? And he assured me that if you are going to follow the training and the training program and the coaching we have in this industry, then you are going to succeed. And true to his words, today my level of confidence has gone up, my self-esteem has been boosted, and I can present this business to anyone at any place, at any given time. So I want to assure you, as a journalist, you can still succeed in this business if you just get to follow the program. But however, if you are interested in joining a network marketing company, I'm ready to take you through a presentation of a reputable company, a company that is following the ethics and contacts of network marketing business, a company that has a stable as a stable system, and then I'm ready to take you through this business. I'm saying this because I know that people who have been scammed before, there are people who have joined illegal pyramid schemes, there are people who have joined Ponzi schemes. So they might be skeptic, or they might be skeptic that thinking that it is one of them. No, there are legit network marketing companies, at the same time we have illegal network marketing company. So I am ready to present to you to answer all the questions you have, anything you want to know about network marketing company. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp contact down below in the description section. Reach out to me, ask me all the questions you have, everything you need to know, and I'm ready to share with you all the information. Otherwise, I want to thank you for watching this video up to this end. Remember to like, to subscribe, and to leave your thoughts in the comment section. Waiting you on my WhatsApp.